My name is Peter Aalbæk Jensen. I'm a son of a preacher man and born April 8, 1956, 3 weeks before Lars von Trier is born. So he's the little brother and I'm the big brother. Oh, I see myself as a priest out here. My daddy was a priest, so I'm the priest walking around each day and I'm giving a handshake to everybody each morning. More or less also, you know, like a priest, you know, God bless you or whatever type of attitude.
Hej Mette. Glansen fra Guds himmel kysser barnet som i vuggen lig.
My type of religion is like a child, you know. I think there's a big guy up there in heaven with a long beard, you know, that says, "Come on, Peter, come up in paradise because you have been a good guy." Yeah, but we have to make fun also of the things that we are serious about. With Lars, my beloved partner, we make a lot of jokes about death, even though he's very scared of death, you know. So, but that's a way to go around any kind of problem, is to make jokes around it. I attended the Danish Film School and then I went out there and went bankrupt with my very first film I made. And I met Lars because he was also in a sense bankrupt because nobody wanted to work with him because he was such a pain in the ass that nobody wanted to have anything to do with him. So I was bankrupt and he was a pain in the ass, you know, and we united then. Not out of love, but out of necessity. That's how it had been since 1988, yeah. I love them, and not in the American way of love that you say to everybody that you love. No, but I like them very much as persons. Yeah. No, it is my family, and this is the people that I spend the most hours with. You know, of course I have my own family also, but if there's somebody that I don't like, I always try to very discreetly get them out, even though how clever they are. You know, I want to feel it as a good time if I should talk together with an employee, you know. And I can't stand having anybody employed that I don't like personally and would like to sit and drink a cup of coffee and just talk, you know, of nothing with. Yeah. So I've made a family of people that I like.